Hello guys, in this short tutorial you will learn how to block ads on Facebook. There are a few simple steps to minimize or eliminate these ads. To get started, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you tap on the gear icon at the top right to open the settings. Once you're on the settings page, tap on Add Preferences in the Account Center section. Then you tap on Manage Info. Now you tap on Manage Info. Now you tap on Categories Used to Reach You and it will load this page. Now you see these options that are turned on. To block ads on Facebook, you have to tap off or you off all these options by selecting the option and tapping the no button. Good. Once you're done with this, you tap on View and Manage under Categories Associated with You. Then you remove everything on this page by tapping the remove button next to all of them. So that wraps up this tutorial. Hope you find this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.